How to add Google Assistant to your home screen. So if you want to add Google Assistant to your home screen, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you can simply go and search for Google Assistant, or if you don't find the option, then you can go with the search, which is on the upper right. Go with the search icon or the search bar, and under search you need to search for Assistant, and here you will have your Google Assistant, right? Simply tap on it, and if you have the Google Assistant option on your gestures or on your settings, then you can simply go and turn it on. But if you don't have that option right there, then you just need to simply open up your Google. Once you open up your Google, now you just need to simply go with Hey Google and voice match, and here you need to turn on Hey Google option, and you need to follow the steps. Scroll down and tap on I agree, and then tap on I agree again, and then tap on next. And once you turn on your Google Assistant or your voice match, now you need to simply go with lock screen option, and you can use your assistant even when your screen is locked. Tap on yes, I'm in, and toggle it on, and that's it. Now you can go back, and if you say Hey Google, then it will automatically turn on. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.